Oh, guess you aren't relevant enough to make it anywhere.
Oh, the name is familiar.
Oh.
Why? What's he saying?
Oh, sure you do. Yeah, 22-year-olds definitely work for them.
We don't have a mutual.
He got shit on, dude. Last game, he's like,
got 3 girlfriends. Yeah, classic.
he was getting
Oh, you're a
tipped all
farmer.
over the place. Like everybody was tipping
That
him.
explains everything.
Even me.
That
I
explains
never
the lack
tipped,
of
but he was so
intelligence.
mad about it that made me tip him.
Literal fucking brain dead ape. Get the fuck out of my party, faggot. Don't ever run your mouth to me again. I'm above you in every sense of the word, you dog shit fucking moron. Fucking kill yourself. Stick a shotgun down your fucking throat, retard.
That's a good one. You should tune into my stream.
Oh, Twitch.
Wait.